Hi, I'm Dr. Justine Love. I am the chair for the second annual Ladies' Choice event here at the Hyatt Regency. We're going to go right to a video from Unity Health.
Good evening and welcome to our Ladies' Choice.
For over 30 years, Unity Healthcare has been providing high-quality healthcare services in the district for our most vulnerable population, individuals experiencing homelessness.
Community health centers are where change really happens in our community. Without good health, kids can't go to school and learn. Without good health, people can't go to work. Without being healthy, people are more likely to commit crimes. Health is at the center of improving the overall wellness of a community. And that's why it's so important for us at Unity Healthcare to be in the most vulnerable communities, because community health centers are where change happens.
We are joined by Laura Akinsanya, and Laura is from a group that she has founded herself called Runway for a Cause.
Runway for a Cause Foundation is a nonprofit that I founded about 6 years ago, and with a mission to support small nonprofits that work with the population of people that are marginalized. And every year we do work all year round, and once a year we have this celebration of moms and an event called Runway Moms for a Cause. With what I'm doing with Unity Healthcare this year, it's sort of like the ultimate in collaboration. Unity Healthcare already does their Ladies' Choice event every year, and we already do Runway Moms every year, and they're focusing on women's healthcare. It just made sense.
We are so grateful for that, and our mission is consistent with your mission because we always need money and resources to keep our mission alive. So I want to emphasize how fantastic your support is, because I know that you have a broad network, just like we have.
Yes.
So I'm going to say to our audience, tonight at the special giving time, I hope that you will open your hearts and your wallets, as I know you will. I know you'll have a great night, but help us further in this cause that is important to the people of the district. Thank you again, Laura, and a special thanks to our sponsors, as well as Laura and her organization. God bless. Thank you.
Good night. Enjoy the show.
We're back, and you can hear that we have music going on, but I am joined with one of our vendors, Kendra Scott, but this is Rachel Stover. You were here last year and you're here again. So tell me why you committed to doing this again.
So we are a women, our CEO is a woman, and we're all about women empowerment. 98% of our company is female, so we are all about female power. We're doing a 20% give back, and we have boxes that are 100% give back. So we're just really excited to be a part of this again.
Well, you know, I love the fact that you all are so creative, and we are very thankful that you are here. And I will be getting my box so that I can have my jewelry,
Yes.
you know, so we can just have the Markle Sparkle going on.
Everyone's got to have a little sparkle to make their day better.
Absolutely. Thank you again. It has been my pleasure. We'll be over there.
Sounds great.
All right. We're live from Unity Health's Ladies' Choice. It's the beginning of great things. You don't even know what else we got coming up.
Thank you so much.
Oh, okay.
Representing
Yes. Gina Cross.
Yes.
So the best part is when you have your board chair for Unity Health that is standing beside you, that is wearing the most fabulous hat in the world. Needless to say, we were on the plane together when we came back from England. So we are just so excited. But tell me, first of all, what's it like being on the board and being the chair of the board of Unity Health?
Well, I'm actually not the chair, but I've been a long-standing member now, and it's a tremendous honor and privilege to work with some of the most hardworking, dedicated staff in this entire District of Columbia, getting it done for folks who need to have critical needs met in regards to their health care.
So what do you like about us doing this? Is Ladies' Choice for the second time? Because we were here last year together. So let's talk about what happened for the second one.
Well, I would say we are bigger and better and more sparkling than ever before. The hats are fabulous, and everyone is here ready to have a good time again and raise money for a wonderful cause.
And that's right. And that's why we're here, to raise money for women's health. We need your coins.
Yes, we do. And there are lots of wonderful vendors here selling their wares and good opportunities to give to very good causes. So please come out and donate.
And it's fun.
Yes. And
thank you, Gina. Where'd he go? Come on, Rod.
Okay.
Jeff,
yes.
Jeff, oh my goodness. So this is a wonderful sponsor we have this year. First time sponsor, but a continuing sponsor.
We'll be here for a while, yeah.
Oh, I love it. I love it. This is Jeff Barron from Rodney Strong Vineyards.
Correct.
Yes, I said it right.
Rodney Strong Vineyards in Sonoma County, California.
Oh, I love it. You came all the way from California?
Well, no, I'm here, but I
that's
represent
good.
them
So
on the East Coast.
So why did you choose to do this event?
So we're a family-owned company that is a very philanthropic organization, and we had an opportunity to partner with you. And anytime we can celebrate, strong women and be partnered with this type of event, we're happy to do it.
So I heard that that's a new kind of brand that Rodney Strong, and it's called
Upshot. It's
Upshot.
a wonderful red blend, Upshot. Zinfandel based. It's got some Malbec, Merlot, Petit Verdot, and some Riesling blended into it. And you tasted it earlier, and you really like it.
And it's mighty tasty,
It's
lady.
mighty tasty.
I have the Upshot going on.
You do. You do. The Upshot. Very good. We need to hire you as a marketer.
I'll do it. I'll do it. I know how to
Absolutely.
celebrate the vine.
I like it. I like it.
But again, thank you so much. And
We're happy to be here.
Oh, we are more than happy to have you. And this room is going to be filled with such strong, powerful women because we're women strong.
That's right.
All right.
That's right. Thank you so much. We're happy to be here.
Thank you.
Thank you. Have a great night.
So, we have so many great things going on here that, we have jewelry, we have wine, we have anything that a woman could want because we know what it means to be in girl power. But I have an artist in front of me. So would you introduce yourself? You're our artist in residence this evening.
Yes, I am. Thank you. Hello, world. Name is Met, creative director and owner of HSJ Met and Associates LLC, based here in the Washington metropolitan area. I'm a fine artist as well as an art director and graphic designer and all things visual information, pretty much. I'm here vending today, and hopefully you could come out and hopefully have something you like. This is one of my pieces. It's a mixed media piece. It's called Hidden City. It's a little bit everything. Acrylic, everything is in here, and it's just my way of capturing everything that life entails, from getting up in the morning to going to work to sitting in traffic to coming back home. So everything from dental floss to burlap to inks and paints and a little bit everything is in here. So I try to capture life in my work. So, everything is embodied in a frame. So hopefully you can come out and hopefully you like what you see.
My picture. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Awesome.
All right. It is great. Thank you for being here, for joining us. See you next year. All right. See, it's nonstop. Now, this is my friend that's on the plane with me, but I know your name, but let's tell everybody else your name.
Melinda Miller, and I'm with Oak Lane Soap Works.
And so we had to take the soap over so that the princess could have it to keep her hands soft because she was shaking all those hands.
Right. So soap made with essential oils, all natural soaps are really helpful for every princess. So if you want to join the princesses, you can have some of my soaps, which are made with shea butter and vegan ingredients.
Are you from here?
Yes.
Okay.
I'm from McLean, Virginia.
Oh, wonderful. Now, for folks that don't know, when we do, when we're looking for our vendors to be here, that we are pushing that we have small women businesses, because if we don't support each other, what's going to happen?
Correct. I mean, we have to stick together.
Yes, and I like that peppermint soap that you're.
Peppermint.
I'll be wearing that this evening.
Excellent.
Thank
Excellent.
you.
I'll save you a bar.
Yes, thank you.
Thank you.
Rachel. Okay, my goodness. Well, first of all, it's ladies' choice, and you're fabulous. The face is beat down.
I'm missing a hat though.
Well, you know what? No, you have one. I love it. As our grandmothers would tell us, our hair is our crowning glory.
It's true. That is extremely true.
Oh, I am so happy to be here with you. So for our listening audience that's out there watching us live, let's say hey to them live. Introduce yourself.
Hello, I am Grace McDermott. I'm the executive director for Kaiser Permanente. We're the premier sponsor of this event, and we are completely excited to be doing so.
I'm completely excited that there is a sister girl that is at the helm of Kaiser Permanente. So we are so honored, and we're glad that you're here for the first and many times after this to be here with us.
I was so upset that I missed last year. So I said to myself, I wasn't going to do it this time this year.
Oh, girl, it's going to be even better. Oh, I'm telling you, we're going to have so much fun. So I am so glad you're here. And again, so actually we're gonna move this to a little video that you have that Kaiser did.
Yes. Well, first of all, Kaiser's all about the community, and that's one of the reasons why we wanted to sponsor this particular event. But more than that, we're all about women's health. And the video that we're about to show you is an excerpt of kind of what we do from the members' perspective of their experience in Kaiser Permanente.
Well, let's go to the clip.
I've never even broken a bone. Like, I'm an extremely healthy young adult, and it was just a little bit of cancer that came along. When you're a 29-year-old cancer patient and you never expected to be in that position, it's obviously terrible, but to have my entire care team being coordinated at Kaiser Permanente was a huge, huge help to me as a patient. It was something that made me feel like a warrior attitude about it because I was just taking charge of it in a way that I couldn't have elsewhere. I have heard multiple horror stories from cancer patients who are not only fighting cancer, but they're also having to be the go-between with their insurance company and the hospital and their doctor. That's all been done without me having to be a part of it. And I felt from day one, in the darkest time of my life, I could still laugh and I could still have joy and I could still be myself. Thanks to Kaiser Permanente.
I'm back. It's Dr. Justine Love. As I told you, I am the event chair for the second annual Ladies' Choice Award by Unity Health. And again, this live stream is being brought to you by Kaiser Permanente. And so you hear the music in the background. You know, if you're at a girl power event, you're going to have music. You're going to have some wonderful grapes because we do know how to celebrate the vine. We do shop. And when we shop, we make sure that we support our women-owned businesses and small women businesses because, you know, if you don't do that, we'll never get anywhere. So again, we're going to have some tasty food and a wonderful fashion show, Runway Moms for a Cause. And again, we're live here from Ladies' Choice at the Grand Hyatt in Washington, D.C. I'm your chair and I'm your host this evening, Dr. Justine Love. So look behind you. Can you all see? Look at these beautiful centerpieces. Somebody donated this. But, you know, since this is a tea party and we're wearing our proper toppers, that we have teacups and teapots. But now I have another wonderful vendor. Hey! Can you introduce yourself to our audience? We're live on Facebook.
Hi, my name is Sandra. I am with DeLong's Jewelry.
Well, let's talk about that jewelry.
Okay. This is my first year doing the jewelry. I actually developed the collection based on family names.
Did you make it?
I made every piece on the table.
Let's see.
This is an example of, it's for men, cufflinks. It's an antique cufflink, gray with the antique gold cufflink plate.
And this is your first year in business?
Yes, this is my first year in business.
Are you making money?
Yes, I am.
Oh, that's what we're talking about. That's girl power.
Yes.
You know, we are so glad to have you here. And this is an opportunity to showcase you and showcase your business. And then the most important part is we're giving back to help other women just like ourselves that are in need of quality health care. So again, I want to thank you.
Well, thank you very much. I really appreciate the opportunity.
Have fun.
Thank you.
Make money, girl.
Okay, bye-bye.
Whoa, you know, you have toppers and you have toppers. But this is my sister friend, my good neighbor, but more important, she's in the struggle with me, making sure that we actually have the quality of health and information out there for all families, but especially women, because we know that we're being challenged now. So introduce yourself to Facebook Live.
Hi, I'm Angelica Jernigan. I'm the Vice President for Planning and External Affairs at Unity Healthcare.
She's a VP, y'all. She's the V.
Well, we are so glad for the opportunity to have this wonderful event tonight and have so many people come out and support Unity Healthcare. It's a wonderful organization serving over 50,000 women and children a year, and including 100,000 altogether.
See, and you know what? Facebook, we're going to point out that look how beautiful our room looks. We got every kind of women's organization, every kind of woman here. We got bankers.
We got Kaiser Permanente, one of our major sponsors, is here tonight, and a huge supporter of women's health in the city. In addition, we have BenCom, our longtime sponsor for Unity Healthcare, who supports our golf outing that we have in the fall. So if you want another chance to support Unity Healthcare, come out there.
I play.
You play?
I play. You didn't know that I drive the green?
Oh, you should be coming out then.
Oh, I'm going at woman's longest drive, closest to the tee.
Justina, I expect to see you out there.
I will be there. I will be there. Bring your A game, fellas, because the women are empowered. But again, thank you.
No, thank you so much for all you've done for our event tonight. We greatly appreciate it at Unity.
Oh, we believe in unity. I believe in unity.
Thank you again.
Girl. So you know what? What's your name?
Katrina.
Katrina, I want to thank you for being here with me and telling your story. So how long have you been going to Unity? Don't be scared, you're here with another sister.
I've been going to Unity for about 6 months.
Oh, wonderful, wonderful. And it's been a great experience for you?
It has.
Well, you know what? Even though you're standing here with me, you did such a wonderful tribute and told your story that we're going to go live to your videos. So thank you again for stepping up and showing out.
Thank you, sweetie.
Okay. I threw it to him.
I do believe that every staff member, every board member is part of Unity because they have a heart that wants to create healing.
Ms. Bright came to us about a month ago, and she was recommended from another Unity provider. She came first to see if she could be accepted into the RESPA program. And so after talking with her and initially saying, okay, we're going to accept you into this program, she bust out crying. And she cried, which of course made me cry because she was a person that had no hope.
I've had 5 strokes, But this fifth one, I went back to work off the first 4. But this fifth one affected my body. So I came with no clothes, no nothing. I came with what I had on my back.
She accepted us immediately. We worked with her diligently on her blood pressure and her diabetes, and I can say from our care team here, we now have it under control. So that to her, every day, we just applaud her for the great work that she has put forward to making this a success story.
When she was accepted into the program and knew that she had a team there to help her, to help rebuild her confidence and her self-esteem and her hope, it just broke her down.
We take the time with the patients, and I think that's really important.
They have allowed me to be me and to accept that. And I'm excited about it. I'm excited about it. I thank them that they have allowed me to be me, and they have treated me good. I like that.
I'm very passionate about working with Unity because since I've been working with them and my other organization now, they've showed me the real humanity in the work. And since I've always valued healthcare, kind of combining that with being like an empathetic support system for someone is really just valuable. And I think specifically with Miss Katrina Bright, it was really evident that since her first interaction with her, that she had people who cared about her and she wasn't alone.
Unity should be supported because it's an awesome place to help anybody get on their feet. They've helped me to see that they can do anything, and they have good hearts. I don't know anybody that works for Unity that doesn't have a good heart, that I don't love from here. From here, they're awesome, doing what they have to do to help people. The nurse come in, speak to everybody. That's good, because when you're down, you're exactly that, down.
Just to know that where they are, it could have been me. No one is exempt from being homeless. No matter where you are in life. Katrina worked for the government for 20 years. Had her own place. Was stable. Had everything together. But yet she ended up homeless. Even when people fall, we need to be here to be able to lift them up. I treat them with respect, with dignity that they probably thought they never would get. That is what inspires me to work with women. So if I can bring you up, I'm going to do just that. I am right there every step of the way.
Facebook Live, I'm sorry that you're not here with us. 2017 was amazing. 2018 is just absolutely fabulous. We have the Markle Sparkle going on because, you know what, this is a historic event, but most important, the fact that you need to be here with us. We need you next year. We have great sponsors. We have great vendors. This is truly about girl power. It is about a girl event. Now, men can come too because we like to see you and we like you to spend your money, and especially when you're supporting women and their health. But again, this is an amazing event. I'm having a great time. I've met some amazing people. And on that note, I will see you in 2019. I'm Dr. Justine Love, and it's all about ladies' choice. See you then.